This is a very easy recipe to make homemade aioli in the hand mixer. To start, we peel and cut a garlic clove into small slices. Then place it inside the mixer bowl along with an egg. We add 110 milliliters of olive or common oil and a good pinch of salt. We begin to beat using the mixer. When we see that it has started to emulsify, we gradually add another 110 milliliters of oil. Finally, we add the lemon juice and beat a little more. We already have homemade aioli ready to enjoy with a meal or in sauces.
Leave us a comment, a like or subscribe to our channel if you liked the video. Thank you for your visit.